Hi everyone, my name is Liu Kaiwen, and today me and my teammate Kenneth will be presenting to you guys our network assignment. For this presentation, we are going to talk about the introduction, network design, calculation, subnetting, arranging table, demo for password configuration, demo pinging between devices, and digital resource use. For this assignment, we are being tasked to design a LAN for TAC-S Solution Sendian Berhad with buildings in different locations. As you can see from the slide, there are three locations, which are location A, B, and C. The distance between location A and B is 500 meters, and the distance between location A and location C is 200 meters. For location A, there are three departments, which are Administrative Department, Sales Department, and Customer Service Department. Administrative Department is located at second floor, Sales Department located at first floor, and Customer Service located at ground floor. For location B, there are also three departments, which are Gaming Tech, Big Data Hub, and Cybersecurity, that are located in different floors. Location C is the 5 Research and Development Lab. The following is our network design, where the yellow area is location A, the green area is location B, and the pink area is location C. For this network design, we connect all location switches to the single router to allow communication between end devices. For the media, we use copper straight-through cable to connect PC to switch and also switch to router. We use the fast Ethernet interface to connect between switch and PC, and we use gigabit Ethernet interface to connect between switch and router. This assignment, we need to consider the number of addresses needed for 55% growth in all areas. So, for example, to calculate the growth for administrative department, we need to multiply 150 with 1.55 to get 232.5 and round up to 233. So for the other department, also the same. We multiply the number of hosts with 1.55 and we can get the answer. After calculating the number of hosts after 55% growth, we now need to start subnetting. The given network address for this assignment is 10.0.0.0/8, which is a class A address. We need to use classful IPv for addressing scheme. So we start by selecting the largest host, which is 620, and we write down the network address and subnet mask. After that, we convert the subnet mask into binary. After converting to binary, we list out the number chart like what you see in the slide and find out that number of hosts that can cover over 620, and it is 124 because 512 is not enough. After choosing 1024, we need to reserve 10 host bit because 2 power of 10 is 124. So from right to left, 10 0 will remain and other will become 1. Then you will get your new subnet mask. After that, you need to calculate the increment by choosing the last network bit, and according to the chart, the increment will be 4. So the first IP range will start from 10.0.0.0 until 10.0.3.255 with subnet mask of 255.255.252.0 and continue adding the increment of 4 to get other IP range. After we get the increment, we can already get the IP range for each department. So we start incrementing 4 from the largest host to smallest host. We can get the usable IP range for each department. From the table, we can see that the first address is reserved for network address, the last address is reserved for broadcast address, and the second address is reserved for the default gateway. You might also notice that all subnet masks for each department is the same because for this assignment, we are using classful IPv4 addressing scheme. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Kenneth. Thanks for the information which provided by Kaiwen just now. And now let's look about the addressing table. For the addressing table, you can see here we separate by 3 colors and for the location. For the yellow is for the location A, the green is for the location B, and the pink color is for the location C. And we see the example. For the example, we can see the S1, switch 1. And you can see the IP address 10.0.8.2, and which under the switch 1 have 4 end device PC, and in the sales department SD and 10.0.8.50, 10.0.8.100, 10.0.8.150, 10.0.8.200, and you can see the 10.0.8 is under the switch 1. So these 4 PCs under the switch 1. And now we talk about the demo password configuration. For the demo password configuration, we have to use the Cisco packet tracer, and you can see just now the 4 device. If we talk about the S1, the 4 device here, 10.0.8 and under the switch 1. Okay, now we do the password demo configuration. Okay, first we have to enable it first. After that, we go to the config terminal and line console 0. We go to the line console 0 and assign the password called CLA33. And after that, we have to log in and exit. And we go to the line VTY 015 and give it a password. Also same with the CLA33. And we have to log in and exit. After that, we go to the enable secret. This is for the enable password. We call AACS2034. After that, we exit. And now after we do the password configuration, we have to encrypt it. So how we do that? We go to again the config terminal and we go to the service password encryption and we type we call the panel MOTD, the panel message. This is a secure system authorized access only. Okay, after that, how we check it? We exit and exit, then enter. You will show the panel. This is a secure system, authorized access only. And we type the password called CLA33 to access the console. And now enable, type the password to access the enable called AACS2034. Now it's enabled. Okay, that's all for the demo password configuration. Now let's talk about the demo pinging between end device. For the demo pinging between end device, we also have to use the Cisco packet tracer. From here, example, we ping the end device from 10.0.8.50 to another location. The yellow is location A, the green color is location B, and we ping to the 10.0.20.50, for example. Okay, let's ping. Go to the command prompt and you can see the IP address. Ping 10.0.20.50. There's a reply here. Yeah, you can see the result. Okay, that's all. Thank you. And now let's go to the next. For this assignment, digital resource we use the Cisco packet tracer to design our network, and we go for the YouTube to do the research for the video how the people to design the network. And Google Drive, we share the packet tracer, share the information between our group member. And the Notion, we keep track our work and our tasks. And Google Classroom, we access our lecturer resources. And Google Document and the Google Slide to do our PPT, the presentation slide. And the end. Thank you for everyone.